Hi everyone, this is Pradeep. So today I'm going to discuss about a complete overview of UiPath Test Suit. So in my previous session, we had discussed about different type of test levels as well as different type of testings, which involves manual testing, automated testing. Now today we are going to discuss about the overview of UiPath Test Suit. As you can see, it involves major four: test manager, test manager app, as well as Studio Pro and orchestrator and the robots. So we'll start with the first one, test manager app. This test manager manages the test projects and test requirements, cases like test cases, and handling the execution by manual testing. Manage also we can store the managing test results after completion of end-to-end testing. We can analyze and reporting, as you can see here. We can store that in test manager. So apart from that, we can store test projects, different type of projects, test cases, and test requirements, and we can do as well as exception handling, and we can execute the manual testing, and yeah, that's it. So we can store the analytics also. So let's say we need to integrate, or we can call some other inbuilt like testing our software solutions. So we can use the connectors like Jira as well as other any other testing tools and integrate the same with the UiPath using Test Hub. And coming to a Studio Pro, here we build test cases like a simple test or as well as any other we usually develop everything as well as we have three cases here, three given flow templates: given, when, and then. This is a standard template, as you can see when you open testing testing a sequence or a new sequence. So this is Studio Pro involves we automate or develop the flows, and Orchestrator, as you know, we can connect our studio and publish the package. And in Orchestrator, we can use see test cases, test sets, test executing, and test schedules. Test cases, we can define multiple test cases, and we can make use of them using test sets. Test sets we can select how many of them and use it for testing purpose. And test executing is you can execute one by one, and test scheduling is you can schedule for unattended. Robots is nothing but like we can trigger the bots, we can trigger unattended bots, and at the end we use analyzing. So before after running the bot, we'll get a complete overview of testing results, so we can make use of that for our analytics and analyzation of before moving the product or any bots to production. So then the results are analyzed using the UiPath Test Manager. As I said earlier, bugs can be created in any other software solution tools, and the test can be stored, analytics can be stored in Test Manager. Yeah. So this is the complete overview of UiPath Test Suite. Thanks, guys.